Here's a 2015 Ford F-550 with the 6.7 Power Stroke, automatic, 4-wheel drive. Power windows and locks, power mirrors. Got a rip in the upper seat. $148,000 miles. AM/FM CD player. Turn on our back lights here. It has the Van Aeronarch system. It's your welder, your jump starter, air compressor. You got 4 fluid tanks for fresh fluid, and then 1 waste reel with the evac pump, air reel. Loaded up. $146 hours on this system here. It's run by a Kohler motor. All the reels, of course, run by air. It's been serviced. That Kohler 19 horse motor. Pull that out when you want to use it, slide it back in. Plenty of storage. You got a stack of drawers back here. On the back. Got all your fluid tanks and shelving in here. So 4 of the fresh fluid tanks, 1 of the waste oil. Here's your gas tank for your Kohler motor. You got your exterior lights, rotate and move them to where you want them. Over here you have a filter drain. Pull it out, drain your filters here. Sup it up with this here with the evac pump. Comes with a set of jumper cables. It does not have any welding leads. Did not paint the frame. There we go. 2015 Ford F-550, 148,000 miles.